morning and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in gold. Greg will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The price of gold has fallen 0.4% in the last session. The ADX is sinking and is currently neutral. The euro-dollar pair has fallen 0.4% in the last session. The CCI has gradually receded into the neutral zone. The sterling-dollar pair has remained as is in the last session. The MACD plunged into the negative area. The Aussie-dollar pair has lost 1.4% in the last 3 sessions. The ATR has transitioned into the high volatility area.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
The S&P 500 index may struggle with a consolidation in view of several headwinds. The U.S. presidential election may cool risk appetite and spook volatility. Cambridge University's third crypto study records 101 million cryptocurrency users worldwide. The U.S. International Trade Commission launched an investigation into whether certain Apple devices infringed patents held by Japan's Maxell Holdings.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The UK mortgage approvals will be released at 6:30 GMT, the Eurozone's business climate at 700 GMT, the Eurozone's consumer confidence at 700 GMT, the US wholesale inventories at 10:30 GMT, the US Redbook at 10:55 GMT, and the Japanese industrial production at 21:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.